Hey y'all, what's up? It is Saturday, and I told y'all that today I was going to be doing my "What the hell is in my fridge" video. And the reason why I think this is so crazy is because, as you can see, from the outside of my fridge, I keep a lot of shit on the outside. Um, like this damn poem somebody wrote for me. Look, that shit's from 2004. This right here is a note from my daughter's third grade teacher. My daughter is in her freshman year of college, so there's no reason why I should still be having this shit on my refrigerator. Before I really get into this, I want to do a confession. I have not cooked or did for real grocery shopping in about a month. And I can heat up some french fries, throw a couple pieces on the George Foreman grill, whip up some instant mashed potatoes, make some salsa, melt some cheese in it. Those type of things I've eaten at home for cooking. But I have not cooked for real. In a month. So I honestly do not know what the hell is in my refrigerator. I've only made breakfast. The last time I did, I don't know, has it been a month? The last time I did videos where I linked the food for the whole week, it's the last time I actually cooked. So ain't no telling what's in this refrigerator. And so I got everything that I need. And so now I just need to get started. I am really nervous about opening up this refrigerator so y'all can see, because I know there's craziness, yo. I know it. I know there's shit in this refrigerator. So once I open it, probably won't see my face. I don't know. Maybe I can set my phone up, prop it up in there on something. I don't know. But yeah, here we go. Okay, real talk, y'all. I don't even know what half of this shit is. This refrigerator is like a representation of my life, yo. It's like fucking chaos. I don't know what's coming or going, why it's there. There's a lot of bad shit in here that I should have let go of a long time ago. There are things way past expiration date, I'm sure. Way past expiration date. So like I said, life is a parallel representation. You know, when my life is fucked up, you can tell by the things going around me. Apparently this refrigerator is one. So I just need to really get into it. I might find some very spoiled shit in here, because it stinks to me. Yeah, so since I got my film camera on that shelf, guess you can see, I'm gonna turn the camera back towards this way so we can start. Let's start with the door. Let's just start with the door. Okay, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I think I just opened it. Expires 2017, so that's still good. This Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce expires 2017. That's still good. Ha! This California French dressing. I don't eat French dressing. My daughter does. Usually she eats it faster than this. This expired. Damn, I'm sorry. I hate to say this. This expired September 3rd, 2015. Trash. My minced garlic. I just take my damn glasses off. I don't read with them on. I use my glasses to drive. Doesn't expire to 2018. Still good. My white wine vinegar. God bless America. This expired 2011. I mean, I usually clean out the refrigerator shelves, but never the door. Gone. It's more barbecue sauce. 2015. Gone. I need to do this with some people in my life. Just get rid of their ass. Just drop them the fuck off in the trash. Jelly, jelly. Really? I thought I just bought this. I just bought this jelly. I swear I did. This shit says 2015 also. Hell, I need to start checking expiration dates at the damn store. 2017 on ketchup. I know this damn piece of cheese been in here forever. 2013. This doesn't even have anything in it. It's fucking empty. These were vials of insulin for the cat. Humans can use them. Gone. I think this was cheese once upon a time. Oh, there's a brick. Gone. Yeah. Plastic ranch dressing. I don't even eat it because this was disgusting. I remember when I opened it. I don't remember exactly when I opened it, but I remember it was disgusting when I opened it. So I don't even know. I'm looking at the expiration date. 2014. I bought this recently too, so that's probably why the hell it was disgusting. Once I clean out this fridge, I'm actually wash it out. I usually take, this is good. I usually take baking soda and vinegar to clean out the inside. So, holy shit. 2008 is when this shit expired. I think I moved in this house in 2005. 2015 on the mustard. This stuff is separated. This is so old that the Best Buy use date is almost gone. 2009. This shit is nasty. 2011. When I cook, I really buy new stuff all over again. I don't even use this shit on the door except for the barbecue sauces. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I don't know what the date is on this, but it's 3 different colors in the bottom. Some more ranch dressing. Like I said, I don't even eat ranch. Why is everything in my refrigerator from 2015? I'm ashamed to put this damn video in. 16. What? Damn. 16. If your cheese is orange like this, you need to fucking get rid of it. Hey, what y'all doing? Cat and dog. These Grand biscuits. I know I just bought these. If these bitches got an expiration, I'm taking these right back. I just bought these. I be buying stuff because I'm hungry. I don't know how close my face is in the camera. I be buying things because I'm hungry. And then I turn around and never eat them. This can. I swear I just bought this can. Unless it's another one in here. Sometimes I buy things and I don't realize that I already have them. 2015. I'm not eating shit that's expired. That's why the fuck I'm fat. Put it up on expired food. You know, the expiration date, that's how long the shit'll hold. 14. Before the formaldehyde is no longer helping it stay. 16. God bless it. Tartar sauce. 15. I think 2015 was the last year. This is empty. Why? Why is it in the refrigerator, Shanice? What is this? Red wine vinegar. I must have had a recipe that I was cooking with. 2011. And marinade. What's the expiration on that? I don't even remember when I bought it. So I know it got to be old. Oh, no, it's not. It's good to 2017. Hey girl, hey. Oh my god, 2007. I'm glad I ain't been cooking with these things. Somebody would have got sick. Ugh. I don't even know what this is. So it's trash. Empty. It's been empty probably since 2009, the date that's on here. Done. And cherries. These cherries were for a turkey ham that I made one Easter. Apparently it was 2010. I'm scared to put anything else in the trash can because it's going to be too damn full. Let's move on to the inside. Everything there now. Got the door clear, the mustard. Let me check that mustard in a minute. But as of right now, let's get you to the fridge. Like I said, you see my camera set up in the fridge. Check this lemon juice first. I thought this was mustard. 2012 on that lemon juice. Gone. My daughter's friend, her father owns a chop suey. So he gave me a bunch of free egg rolls. But they have pork in them. I don't eat pork. And I don't know why I haven't thrown them away. Should have threw them away that day. My bag of potatoes. I put them in the refrigerator so they could be good. They're no longer good either. How long they've been in there. This pack of meat is brown. Can you see that shit? No, go. Yes. I just have shit in my refrigerator. Hard as a brick. This is cheese. This is the cheese. I don't even know why the fuck I got it in the refrigerator. Because when it's in the store, it's on the shelf. This cheese can't be no good for you because it's on the shelf anyway when they sell it. This was the damn butter I've been looking for. Can't be. This butter expired 2016. Really? I think I'm buying expired food. I just bought some of this stuff. Damn, 2016. Trash. I boiled this egg probably 2 months ago to make this tuna. Because this tuna has been sitting in the refrigerator with the trash. Trash. This pumpkin I just opened. I have organic pumpkin for my cat. She eats organic pumpkin. She has until December of 2018 before that goes bad. It's not gonna go bad. What the fuck? This pizza, gross. It was good when I got it, but it's gross. I think about a month ago. It's been in there. My infamous cheesecake. Don't know how long. Don't know how long. Don't ask. I even have... When the good things for you go bad, then it's time to... This was lettuce. Look at that. It's fucking nasty and disgusting. That dog. I told y'all. When I can't find stuff, I buy more. It's more lettuce. It's nasty. Pasta sauce. Oh, this is good. 2018. Next stick around. 2015. Probably bought that one because this one's no good. My trash can is full back here, y'all. It's full. Some more Parmesan. 2016. Go. July to... I know we're in 2016 now, but we're in November. All of these, like say, April and March. So, they're no effing good. I don't know what this was. Oh, Dippin' Dots. My daughter had a Dippin'... My mama bought my daughter a Dippin' Dot machine. And that's what that's from. I am so scared to tackle this top shelf. Still in there on the fridge. I just bought these pizzas yesterday. More shit I don't need in my life. So they're still good. And yes, I'm going to eat those pizzas. This chicken expires in exactly 1 week. Trash. Actually, you know what? I'll give it to my cat and my dog. This almond milk, it's nasty as hell. I bought it from Aldi. See how swollen the container is? If you pick up some milk that's swollen like this, it's on its way for being bad. But this has such the nastiest taste to me. I will never buy that again. I need to pour that out the sink. So I'll do that later. My milk said it expired October 29th, 2016. I keep my milk frozen, so my milk is still good actually. The top should be on this shit. Bacon bits, good. More good bad lettuce. Gross, gross. Oh, these are the ones I just bought. So the other ones were old as hell. A Pillsbury Crescent Rolls. These better not have no fucking expiration date on them. What the hell? They expire in December. Gotta eat those quick. I was craving these the other day. I'm so sorry. But I haven't opened them. They expire in December. Just bought them, what, Thursday, Friday? There's cheese, a little bit of cheese left. Still good. My bacon looks disgusting. It said use or freeze by January 5th, 2015. I know it's been unthawed for over a month. My spinach looks kind of, no. I spoke too soon. I was going to say my spinach looks kind of good. No, my spinach looks bad as well. Move, kitty cat. Here's other bacon that I just unthawed. When is it best used by? December 4th. My turkey bacon will be used by December 4th. I took this pack out the other day. No, I took this pack out a few weeks. Oh, I bought this pack a few weeks ago. And yeah, I can't imagine putting it in my body. It expired October 27th. I knew it was, yeah. If you don't freeze turkey, ground turkey, quick, it's no good. I need another damn trash bag. This is a mess. My dressing, it's still good. This is my favorite dressing, sweet Vidalia onion. Still good. My Simply lemonade with blueberry, still good. My salsa, Newman's Own peach salsa, 25 calories a serving. It's good to 2018. My lettuce I just bought, bad. I got a lot of uneaten lettuce in this freaking fridge. What the hell is this? Apple pie that I didn't eat and will never eat. All this is from Old Charlie's. I think most of this stuff is Keena's. Yep, this is Keena's. Keena hasn't been home in a month, so they tell you how bad that crap is. My tortillas. I thought I just bought some new ones because I didn't know where these were at. Hell, these expired in June anyway. So, that's horribly bad. That's more trash. Why I have a wet wipe in here. Alcohol wipe on top of that. Trash. Cranberries. May 2016. Trash. This turkey is moldy. Trash. Rye bread. I don't know. This says best by August 11th. It didn't say what year, but I just bought it this year, so. But I know I bought it way after August. I really need to start checking expiration dates when I go to the grocery store. I bought that after August. Empty cheese packets. I knew that was empty. I knew I didn't have any cheese. Is this the same? Oh, it's the same Mexican 4 cheese as before. This fruit punch, I'm telling you, this is Keena's. It doesn't expire in 2017, so I'm going to keep it because she's the only one that drinks it. She drinks that. My lemonade on the door. I totally forgot that I'm supposed to be going to go see a play tonight with my mother. We're supposed to be going to see Dreamgirls, put on by a local black rep. My cranberry juice is good. So March 17th. So, I'm not going to do too much with this video. Cheese that I probably was looking for. It's still good cheese. Turkey, fit and active turkey bacon from Aldi. This is like some of the best bacon if you want a thick cut turkey. But it's been in this refrigerator for a minute. Yeah. I'm not going to even bother to smell it. I know it stinks. Stinks to high heavens. It's basically empty. Why the hell is it in the refrigerator? What's in this bowl? This was a freaking short rib. Last time I cooked. That's short rib. Definitely trash. Pineapples. They're actually still good. I put them in there the other day. My eggs are still good. But then the other day. This bottled water. I don't need who water it was. It wasn't mine. I don't put bottled water in the refrigerator. I don't drink bottled water. I mean, I don't drink cold water. I drink my water all room temperature. Room temperature E. More empty. Why do I got empty shit in the refrigerator? Let's just tell you how involved I've been in my own life. I bought this turkey sausage. I don't know when. I didn't even realize it was in the drawer. Best if used or sold by what date? February 2016. It's never open. I bought some turkey bologna. Best if used by October 2015. I bought these at the same time. So neither one of this shit is good. I remember buying these at the same damn time. That's trash. This the same salsa. I'm sticking something back in here. Keep my baking soda in here, trying to keep things fresh. But when I started saying that the refrigerator was stinking, I knew something was wrong. Poppy seed dressing. Me no like. Trash. I would try all dressings when I ran out of the one that I had. This peach salsa again. Trash. This new one on. This one is separating. Trash. Separating again. Trash. You see I do a lot of creamy Alfredo sauce. Slice of cheese. I've been looking for cheese. But it's starting to turn really, really orange. Which makes this all trash to me. Everything on this top shelf. Trash. Let me get another bag. Okay, so after I have cleaned out this refrigerator and throw away what is trash, I pretty much have nothing. When I go back to my statement saying how this refrigerator is kind of like a symbol of my life. Because like, I think I take so long to throw things away. Because like once I get rid of everything, everything looks so empty. See all that? It looks empty. It doesn't look full. I stuck my glasses in there. It doesn't look full. So, and I never know when I'm going to be able to fill this back up again. So I leave it looking as full as possible. I don't have any intentions of going to a grocery store anytime soon. So now I'm empty with no fulfillment. That's all I got left. Unhealthy pizza. Chicken I'm going to give the cat and the dog. And just empty space. So that's it, you guys. Can't believe you actually sat through this whole thing with me cleaning out this refrigerator. My nastiness. Now I gotta actually wash it out. But I gotta get ready for this show tonight. Again, we're going to go see Dreamgirls, put on by our local St. Louis Black rep. And then I can come clean this out. I don't know why this is affecting me so. I do feel empty. I feel empty. My refrigerator's empty. It's like, I'm just crazy, I guess. Alright, y'all. Here's this video. Peace.